All right, let's take a look at SPX on the monthly chart. As you can see, we have consistently retested this trend line and then got big, beautiful pushes to follow. So just kind of peeking in to see historically, last time we got a big push or pullback like this, we had a beautiful run of just a lot of green candles as we got some momentum and continue to move higher. So same thing here, we pushed off of here. We do get those pullbacks where we get some red months in there, and then we got a big, beautiful pullback all the way to our trend line, and we've had some really consistent, beautiful green months. So with all of that said, if you look historically, we always have a pullback at some point, right? So that's kind of what we're watching for right now. Doesn't mean it's going to happen now, doesn't mean that it will happen soon. We could continue to rip for quite some time, but I am keeping an open mind, always looking both ways, right? So looking at the weekly chart, this is getting into a little bit more of a squeeze here. Does not mean that we're going to break lower, but typically when we squeeze like this, it is a reversal pattern. So I'm just watching to see if we get that break lower. If we do, we have strong support at about that 64.70 area to be mindful of. So let's see if we bounce and head up, or if we get that breakout and head on down. We have another strong support level at about 63.95 to keep in mind as well. Looking at the daily chart, we've been in this rising channel for quite some time now, just kind of testing back and forth along the way. Right now, I want to see if we can hold 65.90 on any pullback. And also be mindful, if we do continue with this push, 66.54 is a strong area to kind of be mindful of, to see if we can actually break higher. If we hold between 66.54 and 65.90, we can stay choppy. I'd like to see us break out of that range. If we do clear 65.54, 55-ish, then I'm going to be watching for that upper trend line about 67.44. If we break 65.90, we have our lower trend line at about 65.30 to keep in mind as well. So I'm kind of just going to watch this range for tomorrow and see if we can get that breakout above 66.54 or below 65.90 for more direction.